Hello to friends gathered in Brussels. I'm delighted to tune in with you from New York as you conclude this Brussels satellite event in support of the UN SDG Summit. I'm convinced that meetings across the globe this week are crucially important supports as we try to make our words a reality and actually implement the 2030 agenda. For the first time since its adoption, our heads of state and government will gather in New York to assess progress, to see what is working, and to see where we need to do more. I believe that our political leaders will conclude that while there has indeed been progress, much remains to be done. That means, frankly, that we all have a role to play to make the hope and promise of the 2030 agenda a reality. I believe that's true right across the board, and particularly true when it comes to food systems, which really sit at a critical juncture between food security, nutrition, livelihoods, climate, and sustainability. You all know there that without that vital transformation in our food systems, we simply cannot achieve the 2030 agenda or the targets set out in the important Paris Agreement. The Sustainable Development Infrastructure approach that you have been discussing today has the potential to create a really powerful network of partners for sustainable and equitable food systems that we know can deliver for both people and planet. In New York this week, Ireland will continue its leadership role on food security by hosting an important event in partnership with the FAO, IFAD and WFP on transforming our food systems to achieve the SDGs. So your meeting couldn't be more timely. I want to especially thank and commend UCD for its ongoing work on this agenda and for bringing together this esteemed panel of experts today. I look forward to hearing about the outcome and sign out from the UN in New York. Thank you very much indeed.